Good morning, students. In this video lesson, we are going to start a new lesson, the human eye. Very interesting. Human eye is one of the most fascinating and delicate part of human body. We are able to see the colors of the world, the beauty of the world because of this human eye. Let us discuss about human eye. You can see in the diagram, this is an eyeball. Everything is fitted in the eyeball. Our eyeball is almost spherical. The first transparent layer in front of our eye is known as cornea. It is whitish in color and it is tough. It protects human eye from any outside material entering into our eye. Now, the liquid present between the cornea and the eye lens, that is in this region, is known as aqueous humor. The liquid present between the cornea and the eye lens is known as aqueous humor. The dark colored muscular assembly present just behind cornea is known as iris. This is your iris. At the center of the iris, there is a pin-like opening. This opening is known as pupil. Light enters in our eyes through pupil. This is our eye lens. This is our eye lens, which is a convex lens made of proteins. It is thicker in the middle as well as harder, and gradually as we move away from the center, it becomes weaker and softer. A jelly-like liquid present between the eye lens and retina is known as vitreous humor. Retina, it is a thin membrane present on the rear side of our eyeball. It is just like a screen in camera. When image of the object is formed on the retina, then only we are able to see the object. Real inverted image is formed by our eye lens on the retina. The nerves which connects the nerves which connects our eye with the brain are known as optic nerves. The muscles which is responsible for keeping the eye lens at its correct position are known as ciliary muscles. Some important organs which we have discussed, we can have a note of that. Cornea, it is the first transparent layer in front of our eye which protects our eye from any foreign substances entering into our eye, which protects any foreign substance from entering into our eye. Aqueous humor, the space between cornea and eye lens is filled with a liquid known as aqueous humor. Iris, it is the dark colored muscular assembly present just behind cornea. It is responsible for characteristic color of the eye of the person. Pupil, it is a pin-like hole present at the center of iris. It appears dark as no light is reflected from it. Dark. It appears dark as no light is reflected from it. Eye lens, it is a convex lens made of transparent crystalline layers. It is held in its position by the ciliary muscles. Vitreous humor, it is the liquid present between eye lens and retina. What is retina? It is just like a screen present on rear side of our eyeball. Real inverted image of the object is formed by the eye lens on retina, then only object becomes visible. Optic nerves, the nerves which connects our eye with brain, are known as optic nerves. Now, what is the function of iris? Actually, iris controls the amount of light entering into our eyes. How? By adjusting the size of the pupil. When dim light falls on our eyes, pupil gets elongated so that sufficient amount of light can enter into our eyes. Whereas when an intense light falls on our eyes, the size of the pupil gets contracted, reduced, so that only adequate amount of light can enter in our eyes. So in this way, by controlling the size of the pupil, iris, or you may say iris, regulates the amount of light entering into our eyes. A retina, as we have discussed, it is just like a screen in our eyes. It contains light sensitive cells. These cells are of two types: rod shaped cells, which are also called as rods, cone shaped cells known as cones. Here, rod shaped cells are sensitive to intensity of light, whereas the cone shaped cells are sensitive to color of the light. Now, cone-shaped cells contains three types of cone-shaped cells corresponding to three primary colors. You know, the three primary colors are red, blue, and green. So our eyes contains cones, that is cone-shaped cells, responsible for red color, responsible for blue color, responsible for green color. When cone-shaped cells, light sensitive cells responsible for any of the primary color is absent, then person cannot differentiate that color from the group of colors. This disease is known as color blindness. It is a genetic disease. When rod shaped light sensitive cells intensity of light, sensitive to intensity of light, is absent, then person cannot see the dim light, see in dim light. This defect is known as night blindness. Not absent, less in numbers, less in numbers, less in numbers means compared to the number of rod shaped cells present in normal human eye. If the number of light sensitive cell is less, in that case the person cannot see in dim light. That's all. Thank you for watching.